states don't have a registry either. There may be a few states in the union that do have some sort of gun registration, but for the most part, there isn't one. And here in Texas, there definitely isn't a gun registration. Now, people ask me frequently, how can I get this gun registered under my name? That doesn't happen with guns. You can't get a serial number to a gun, run it through some database somewhere, and know who it comes back to. That's just not how it works. When you do go to an FFL dealer, a store, to go purchase a firearm, there is a paper trail. You do have to go through some sort of background in order for you to be able to purchase that firearm, but that is not a gun registry. They don't know if the sale actually went through after your information being run through the database. There's no way of knowing unless they go and check the paperwork itself and see if you did purchase a firearm. But in the state of Texas, there is the ability to transfer a firearm privately. There are private sales. Private sales are legal in the state of Texas. You can go and sell your gun to a buddy if you want to, no questions asked. Although there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. If you do want to sell a firearm to somebody else and you know that they are a prohibited person, they're not allowed to possess the firearm to begin with, you're going to go ahead and get yourself into some trouble because you are not supposed to transfer a firearm to somebody that you know should not possess it. If you are transferring the firearm over to somebody that has some sort of residency issue, they're from out of state and they want to purchase a pistol, or they're foreign nationals that are not residents, you cannot legally sell them a firearm. Selling your handgun is like selling your television. You can just go ahead and sell it. But if you want to make yourself feel a little bit more comfortable, it is a good idea that you keep or you take the information of the person that you're selling the firearm to. That way, if somebody ever comes and asks you, say they find it at a crime scene somewhere and they ask you, hey, what happened to this gun here? We see that you purchased it from such and such store on such and such date. You'll at least have some sort of record to be able to tell them, hey, well, I sold it to this person on this date. If somebody does not wish to show you their information or provide you with their identifying information at the time that you sell that firearm, then you don't have to sell it. It's completely up to you. But again, there is no law requiring that you keep any sort of record when transferring a handgun privately, although it is a good idea that you keep some sort of record. There is a form that you can get off of the ATF website that will allow you to do it, but you really don't have to put it on any sort of form whatsoever. You can send yourself a text message, or you can just write it down somewhere, and that's perfectly fine. Take photos of IDs or whatever it may be, or write a bill of sale. It doesn't really matter as long as you have some sort of record that can give somebody an idea of where that gun went, say they came asking about it. So again, a short recap. There is no gun registry in the United States, and there definitely isn't one in the state of Texas. A gun registry isn't a good thing. If you have a firearm that you purchased privately from somebody else, don't go looking to register it, because that's not how it works. If you want some sort of record, you need to take that firearm and that person to an FFL dealer. That way they can do the proper paperwork at that time. You can't go and purchase it from somebody and then go and take it to an FFL dealer and say, I want to transfer this gun from me to me. That's not how it works. Don't do that. They're going to tell you no. As always, you guys take it easy. Have a good one. Stay primal. And God bless. We'll catch you guys later.